Aphume ngebuningi Emaphoyisa kodwa umjovo wekugomela iCovid-19 nanoma ngabe isimo selitulu besingekho sihle.
I feel relieved because in a sense at least I know I'm protected.
I'm feeling very happy after getting a vaccination because I was so a little bit fearful regarding the rumors that are around, but I was so bold enough to come forward to protect myself.
Wenyale Emaphoyisa nesikhungo sinye sekugoma lesiseBloemfontein.
At this stage, we are looking also to open another site tomorrow, which is Bensplay, and the following day, which is POP. As you know, that this process is actually administered by Polmed as well as MedScheme. So we are dependent on them to confirm which sites are ready to be used.
Litiwe letembile eFree State lithi loludlame loluqubuke kuletinye tingcenye telelive alikathikabedi tinhlelo tekugoma.
The violent protests that are engulfing our country at this point in time, as we see in other provinces, have not gripped the Free State as yet. There's calm, there's peace in the Free State, and as a result, those conditions are conducive for the healthcare workers and the Department of Health Services in general to continue operating. There has not been any threat, and that makes us to be able to confidently roll out the vaccine program as we are running late.
Emaphoyisa agqugqudele labasengakagomi ukuthi kufanele batfole lo mjovo.